Hi friends, welcome to my vlog. This is Tony John, and we are going to a place called Mudippara, which is the top area of the waterfall Cheyappara. So from this place you can actually see Balara waterfalls, and the view is absolutely amazing. I hope you like my video. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine, I was fine. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends.
So as you can see, the water is beautiful and the place is really beautiful. It's surrounded by waterfalls and greenery. So we are back to our place at Camp Lights, and this is the room where we stayed, and it was a really nice room. We didn't actually take the tent because we had a lot of camera gears, and also we didn't take the tent, so we could keep everything secure in our room. Now I'm just gonna take a heli shot of the whole place to let you know how beautiful this place actually is. So be patient with me, watch this entire clip. I hope you like it. So if any of you guys wanna come and stay here and enjoy this beautiful scenery, I have given the number down in the comments and also in the video. So just give him a call and he will give you all the details like directions and everything, how can you reach here and all, and what programs are available here, like camping, tenting, trekking, etc., and off-roading also. They have all the services here. So just give him a call and he will give you all the details. I hope you like our video. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Thanks.